I'm having a horrible day and I've cried a lot today. So let's do some makeup and get my mind off of that. So here's my everyday makeup using my current favorite makeup products. Starting with primer, I've been using the e.l.f. Power Grip Primer like a lot lately, especially with it being hot in the summer. Just one pump. Then my go-to foundation for summer is the e.l.f. Halo Glow Liquid Filter. I have mine in the shade 1 Fair. It smells like feet, but it makes me look great. Also, don't mind this. I'm trying to volumize my hair. You guys see the difference? Like how glowy and dewy my skin looks? Then we're using the e.l.f. Hydrating Camo Concealer. I have mine in the shade Fair Warm. I try to use a lot less of this than I used to. That's pretty much all I like to use. Then my current go-to bronzer is actually the one from She Glam. It's the Sun Sculpt Liquid Contour, and I have mine in the shade Warm Honey. I just do this now, just like a little bit that's left over on my sponge. For blush, I'm still loving the She Glam one, the Color Bloom Liquid Blush in Love Cake. And I do kind of blend it onto my eyelid. And if I have acne, like I do right here on my nose, I'll take my JCat Beauty Aquasurance Compact Foundation and just, not like the best cover up in the world, but it works pretty well. Then it's time for powder. I still am using the same powder every single day, and it's the Maybelline Fit Me Loose powder. I have mine in 05 Fair. I'm like literally almost out. And then I just take a puff under my eye and then down, and also my eyelid. And I know we took a lot of time to make ourselves dewy, but we are gonna powder our whole face. I do it very lightly, and I'll usually wipe off any excess. Then for bronzer, I'm still using this Broken Revolution Beauty Bronzer Reloaded in Holiday Romance. You'd think I'd hit pan by now, but I don't wear makeup often enough for that. Yeah, I mean, it's kind of crazy having a makeup channel, and I do my makeup like 2, maybe 3 times a week. 3 is if I'm really feeling it. Isn't this just such a nice bronzer? So we're getting that glow back a little bit because it has like a shimmer in it. And you guys know I rotate blushes quite a bit, but I still am absolutely loving the NYX Buttermelt blush in Butta Together. I've been using this a lot. It is highly, highly pigmented. It doesn't take a lot, and you guys know I like a lot of blush. It will get out of hand fast. Then it's time for brows. The e.l.f. Instant Lift Brow Pencil. Mine is in neutral brown. I've been really enjoying this Anastasia Arch-A-Brow, but that's expansive. If you've seen one, you've seen them all. I very recently have jumped back to the e.l.f. Brow Lift Gel. It's almost gone. I just like how I can really sculpt them with this and really just get my brow hairs to do exactly what I want them to do, and then they will stay. Then it's time for highlighter, and I'm still using my Nabla Skin Glazing in Ozone. I mean, honestly, I've kind of been doing my makeup the exact same way for like most of the time I've been doing makeup. Some things change slightly, but for the most part, it's like always the same. I'm kind of a, if it ain't broke, don't fix it kind of gal. Ah, I had the wrong eyeliner. Oh well. My top 2 eyeliners are the e.l.f. Expert Liquid Liner and then the Wet n Wild Mega Liner. This one's like a felt tip, and it's a lot more like jet black. My camera stopped recording as soon as I started doing my wing, but that's okay because I almost forgot I've been curling my lashes before my wings. That way it doesn't mess up my eyeliner. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that now. It might mess up this one a little bit. We'll just have to live with it. Then for mascara, I use the L'Oreal Voluminous Primer. It's a white mascara primer. I did just have lash extensions on for like a week and a half, so hopefully my lashes aren't like too damaged. My number one talent, being able to apply mascara with both hands. And then my current favorite mascara, I just bought a full size of this on sale for Prime Day, is the Tarte Tartelette XL Tubing mascara. This is possibly the best mascara I've ever found. Just look at that. And then I'll let that dry and I will add a second coat. And then always comb through your lashes. Last but not least is lips. I've been keeping it pretty simple lately. I saw Kat Dennings using this, and so I decided that I needed it. It's the e.l.f. Sheer For It Blush Tint in Cherry Cola. I'll usually do 2 coats of that. So like I'll let it dry and then I'll do another coat. And then I will just take the Maybelline Lifter Glaze Oil Balm. I have mine in the shade 2 Pink Drip. And I just put that over it. It's just a lip balm. It's just a lip balm that doesn't really have any color, but it smooths out my lips. And as per usual, I forgot to do my setting spray before my eye makeup. So this makes it exactly like how I do my makeup every single day. I use the e.l.f. Power Grip Dewy Setting Spray, and hopefully it doesn't ruin my eye makeup, but this is my life. I do this almost every single time. Did this make me feel better? Absolutely not. I'm still having a mental breakdown. So anyway, this is my makeup. Hopefully you've enjoyed my current makeup routine and the products that I use. Anyway, if you like videos like these and you want to see more like it, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel while you're here. I would greatly appreciate that. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.